In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell a digital product on Shopify using their big digital download feature. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce veteran or just dipping your toes into the world of online sales, this walkthrough is designed to provide you with the essential tools and knowledge you need to start selling digital products seamlessly. We'll begin by navigating to the Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Products tab on the left-hand side of your screen. It's one of the key sections where you'll be managing all aspects of your inventory. Go ahead and click on Products, and you'll be taken to a page that lists all the items you currently have. Since we're creating something new today, click on the Add Product button. This is where the magic happens. Now, here's where the creativity starts to kick in. You're going to enter the title of your digital product. Make it compelling. This is your first opportunity to grab your potential customer's attention. Next up is the description. Be as detailed as possible here. Explain what the digital product is, what it includes, and why someone should buy it. This section allows you to connect with your audience, addressing any questions they might have even before they realize they have them. After the description, let's focus on the media. This includes any images or videos that can enhance the product listing. Visuals are incredibly powerful in conveying the value of your product. If you can, use high-resolution images to showcase what you're selling. Now, we move to pricing. Decide how much you want to charge for your digital product. Remember, the price should reflect the value you're providing to your customers while also being competitive within the market. Once you're happy with the details, don't forget to save your work by hitting the Save button. This will save all the information you've just entered and get it ready for customers to see. Now, there's another option to consider if you're interested in diversifying how you deliver your digital products. Shopify allows for the integration of appointment apps such as an appointment booking app. This feature can be particularly useful if your digital product includes services that require scheduling, like consultations or classes. Once installed, you can add your product directly within the app and then easily send it to your customers via email. And there you have it. You now know the essential steps to start selling your digital product on Shopify. With these tools, you can open new avenues for your online store and reach customers around the world. Remember, the key to success in digital sales is to be clear, concise, and customer-focused. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you all the best with your online store endeavors. Make sure to keep exploring and integrating new features to keep your business growing.